Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Editing Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to stabilize video on Filmora. If you have a shaky footage in Filmora and you'd like to stabilize that, then the process is quite easy. Open up Filmora application and drag and drop your video clip from your computer's files onto the timeline. Here I've already added a video clip to edit. Now go ahead and get to your video clip on the timeline and double click on it. Once you double click, you will be able to see a video tab at the top. Click on video at the top left corner and click on the stabilization option. Once you do that, Filmora will automatically analyze your video to determine the level of shakiness, and then once analyzed, you will be able to see a smooth level option. This slider allows you to adjust the intensity of the stabilization effect. Higher value provide a stronger effect, but it'll also slightly crop the video frame. After you are done applying the effect, click on OK and then preview your video by clicking on the playback button. Right after you do that, you will be able to apply stabilization onto your video using Filmora. Finally, click on the export button at the top and select an export option, and finally click on export in order to export your video clip with the stabilization effect. That is how it's easily done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thanks for watching.